In this video, we're going to show you how to install the cam sensor on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the passenger side cylinder head. We're going to gain access to our cam position sensor on the bottom side of the cylinder head. We're going to be up underneath the vehicle, and we're going to use a 10mm socket, swivel, and a long extension. I'm going up just on the inside of the frame, and here is a bolt here on the bottom side. Go ahead and remove that bolt. So right here in the middle of the screen, we can see the little rusty tab there, and it has a gray connector going to the sensor. It's tough to get a camera up in here while I do the work, but I want to go ahead and try and twist that sensor out and disconnect that sensor while we're there. So let's go ahead and get to it. Now I'm going to use a pair of hose pliers here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these around the base of the sensor itself. They're large enough, and the base of the sensor is round, so I'll be able to grab it. You want to be careful not to rock it back and forth, but you want to grab it and twist it. There's a rubber O-ring seal in there, and if we can break that free, we can go ahead and twist it out and work its way out. Now once we get that out, it's going to be easier for us to get the sensor connector removed. So we have the sensor out. That's it right there with the little tab on it. Now we're just going to come around to the back side. We're going to pull that out a little bit and disconnect the connector on the back side and then remove that sensor. Now on that gray connector, there's just a little spring clip on the back of that connector. You're going to pinch that, pull that harness off, and remove your sensor. I'm going to take the sensor, feed it up, and I'm actually going to reconnect the connector to it. You can hear it and feel it snap into place. I'm going to go ahead and work that sensor up and around those other wires that are up here. And I'm going to feed it back up into the hole on the bottom side of the cylinder head. Go ahead and work that up into the head. And now we'll install our bolt. All right, we got it started. Get our extension back up in there. I'm just going to snug that bolt gently. Now let's go ahead and we're going to torque that into position. You want to go up here and we're going to torque this. Torque specifications are 106 inch-pounds or 8.83 foot-pounds. Now, if you have a check engine light and you've replaced your sensor, you want to go ahead and have that code cleared. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.